Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we are making white yam and egg sauce. That is what I'm making for dinner. So I know before this video will come up, you might have watched my unboxing video that I did, outdoor unboxing, what my husband bought from the market for us. Yeah. So if you have not watched the video, please do well to go and watch the video and tell my husband thank you at the comment section. So this night we are making egg sauce and white yam. Though my kids were the one that did all the prepping, which is slicing the tomatoes, the onions, while I'm the one that break the egg so that I will know the one that is good. Understand? So I will talk to you guys in my next clip. Though before then I saw this agidi that my husband bought as oyoyo, you understand? Every Nigerian man or woman that goes to market likes to buy, you understand, anything that's oyoyo. So when testing this thing first of all slapped me, kai, and I didn't like it. So I have to, because the kind of deep cross curry, the kind of ducros, yes, ducros, that's the name of the curry that they pack inside this thing, and the thing is not even smooth. And also I was explaining to my daughter how they made it. So that's it. So I will talk to you in my next clip when we are eating, or anyhow, just keep watching, don't forget. And if you have watched to this moment and you have not subscribed to us, please do it to subscribe, and then give us a thumbs up, drop a nice comment for us. Also, turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified anytime we upload a new video. Use it and support your girl. Understand? Don't forget that Adachus is in the building. Understand? So keep watching, enjoy the video. So guys, don't, let me just tell you guys why I'm using voice note, voice record, is that my generator is so loud and is night. So the noise of the generator might not allow you to hear what I was saying in the background. That's why I use voice note for this. So keep watching. So right here, my yam is done already. My yam is done already. So I'm about to prep the sauce for it. It's already lit. Yeah. eat our food. So, and if you have watched this moment and you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Follow us. So, hell, follow us. Subscribe to our page. You will love us. So you get to love us. And if you are not giving us a thumbs up, please do well to give us a thumbs up. Turn on your bell notification so that you notify anytime I upload a new video. I'm shouting because of Regent's